In this video, I'll introduce you to the top 5 pop-up Christmas trees with lights for 2023. We'll explore their reliability, durability, pricing, user reviews, and standout features, and you'll find links to these trees in the video description for your convenience. Let's jump right in. Pop-up Christmas tree number 1, Pre-lit Potted Flocked Arctic Fir Pencil Christmas Tree. Our first pick is the pre-lit Potted Flocked Arctic Fir Pencil Christmas Tree, and it's a hit among users. This tree is built to last with its robust steel frame, ensuring stability throughout the holiday season. Its rust-resistant frame can withstand different weather conditions. The tree comes with lifelike flocked PVC branches that give it a snowy, elegant appearance. It's pre-lit with energy-efficient LED lights, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. In terms of price, it's budget-friendly, making it an excellent choice for those who want a hassle-free, cost-effective solution for their holiday decorations. User reviews have praised its reliability and easy setup. Pop-up Christmas tree number 2, Jugal 6-foot Artificial Christmas Tree. Our second contender is the Jugal 6-foot Artificial Christmas Tree. It's known for its remarkable build quality and impressive features. The sturdy metal frame, reinforced at key joints, guarantees stability and strength. The frame is powder-coated for rust resistance. This pop-up tree comes with a dense PVC needle branch design that provides a lush and full appearance. The pre-installed LED lights are energy efficient and offer a warm, inviting glow to your holiday festivities. Priced in the mid-range, it offers excellent value for its quality and features. Users have commended its robust construction and overall performance, making it a top choice for 2023. Pop-up Christmas tree number 3, Christmassy XP 20-inch Tabletop Mini Christmas Tree Set. For our third pick, we have the Christmassy XP 20-inch Tabletop Mini Christmas Tree Set. This tree is perfect for small spaces and tabletop displays. It includes a sturdy base and a 20-inch lifelike mini tree. It's pre-lit with LED lights, making it easy to set up and create a festive ambience. The simplicity and affordability of this tree have earned it positive user reviews, making it an attractive option for those who want a charming addition to their decor. Pop-up Christmas tree number 4, Prexdex Mini Christmas Trees. Next on our list is the Prexdex Mini Christmas Trees, recognized for their compact size and affordability. These trees are perfect for small spaces and tabletop displays. They come as a set of 3, each with its unique design. These mini trees are pre-lit with LED lights for a delightful holiday look. Priced in the budget-friendly range, they offer a convenient and cost-effective way to add a festive touch to your home. Users have praised their simplicity, variety, and affordability. Pop-up Christmas tree number 5, BTU Collapsible Pop-up Christmas Tree. Our final pick is the BTU Collapsible Pop-up Christmas Tree, perfect for those looking for a tree that's easy to store and set up. This pop-up tree features a collapsible design, making it highly convenient. It comes pre-lit with LED lights for a hassle-free decorating experience. Despite its space-saving design, it provides a charming holiday look. Priced as a budget-friendly option, it's highly convenient for small spaces and those who prefer a tree that's easy to store. Users have applauded its simplicity, collapsible design, and affordability. There you have it, the top 5 pop-up Christmas trees with lights for 2023. You can find links to each of these trees in the video description. Happy decorating!